આપણે આઈપીએલ ફોર્મેટ રમાડીએ છીએ તો નેરલ ટેબલ ટોપર હતું તો એમને હજી એક ચાન્સ મળશે.
સર,
આમાં
ये-
જે વિન થશે એ નેરલ જોડે રમશે અને એનો વિનર ફાઇનલમાં બદલાપુર બોયઝ સાથે
सर ही
રમશે.
पहिली एलिमिनेटर
હા,
पहिली एलिमिनेटर
पहिली
यानंतर
eliminator.
दुसरी क्वालिफायर
क्वालिफायर.
आणि त्यानंतर मेगा फायनल.
यस
ओके.
यस.
पहिला क्वालिफायर जो मात्र कंप्लीट झाला त्यामध्ये बदलापूर बॉयज टीम जिंकली. त्यानंतर आता पहिला एलिमिनेटर पाहायला मिळतोय. जो संघ इथून जिंकेल तो पुढील मॅच मध्ये नेरळ वॉरियर्स या संघाविरोधात खेळेल आणि जो संघ हरेल त्या संघाचं वर्चस्व अस्तित्व या क्रीडा स्पर्धेमधून समाप्त होईल. इथे मोठा स्ट्रोक मारायचा प्रयत्न होता. कल्पेश पाहायला मिळत आहे जर्सी नंबर 7 मध्ये.
बढ़िया शॉट.
सिंगल धाव कंप्लीट. ऑन बोर्ड 3.
करण टू कल्पेश.
लाऊड अपील केली जाते मात्र तोपर्यंत 2 धावा कंप्लीट. 2 धावा कंप्लीट. 5 धावा. चांगला चेंडू. डॉट बॉलची समाप्ती. अशा परिस्थितीमध्ये षटक क्रमांक पहिलं कंप्लीट. पहिल्या षटकाची समाप्ती. 5 धावा. पहिल्या षटकाची समाप्ती होती. 5 धावा. अप्रतिम गोलंदाजी मागच्या षटकामध्ये आपल्याला पाहायला मिळाली. खरं तर फील्डिंग करणाऱ्या टीमचं स्ट्रेंथ त्यांची बॉलिंग आहे.
જીગુ ધ બોલર. બીજો બોલ એમની ઓવરનો અને ગ્રાઉન્ડ સ્ટ્રોક મારી દીધો છે. એની સાથે 1 રન મળી ગયા છે ટીમ પનવેલને. ટીમ પનવેલના કેપ્ટન કલ્પેશ સ્ટ્રાઇક ઉપર. બહુ સારી રીતે ફિલ્ડિંગ જમાવી છે. Wonderful ball and Mikul makes no mistakes, collects the catch. Chirag moves out of the ground and KU replaces Chirag. Chirag on strike. KU on strike. 6 runs. Thirteen runs at the end of second over. Karan once again to bowl to Kalpesh. Kalpesh strikes hard, but ball fails to reach the boundary line. Well fielding by Mikul. Wonderful ball, collect rightly by Jigu. Karan to Kalpesh. Once again a cheeky run. KU calls for the second, but Kalpesh avoids. A hasty ball. Umpire decision wide. It adds one more run to the kitty of Panvel team. And one wide again. Every wide will give a wide smile to the opposition team. Karan tries hard to control the runs coming in. Karan to Kalpesh. Kalpesh strikes hard but fails to reach the boundary line. Jigu to collect it on a right hand. Keyur leaves the crease, waiting for the umpire decision. Oh, so he reaches safely back. 3 overs, 20 runs is the score. Kalpesh, the captain, on strike. The batting team will have to play some strokes straight to the boundary rather than hitting them to the nets. No ball once again. A painful but important is you should avoid doing no balls and wide. That will only add runs to your targets. Keyur leaves smartly. Again a no ball. One more run added to the kitty of Panvel team. Fine stroke, but will be collected smoothly by Karan. This only adds 1 run to the team. And that shoots the ultimate one. 6 runs added. .32 runs at the loss of 1 wicket.
હલો પોણા 8 વાગે જમવાનું ચાલુ થઈ જશે જેને પણ જમવું હોય એ જમી શકે છે
Ronak to Kalpesh.
7:45 શાર્પ
And that's
જમવાનું ચાલુ
ultimate.
થઈ
Again a
જશે
6 runs.
એટલે જેને પણ
Shooted by
જમવું હોય
Kalpesh, the
જમી શકે
captain.
છે. અને જેને નાચવું હોય એ સ્ટે કરે.
This adds to 38 runs. Next ball by Ronak. A slow ball. No ball, of course.
હા એટલે જેને જવાની જરા ઉતાવળ હોય એ જ જમે બાકી
This
તો બધા
adds
આરામથી જમજો.
39 runs
આપણે
to
DJ નો
the
લાભ
target
પૂરો
of
ઉઠાવવાનો છે.
team. Yash fails to collect the ball. Ronak to Kalpesh. Team struggles to send the ball to the boundary line. That's the ultimate. 46 runs till now. At the end of the 4th over. Final over to go. The captain maintains the legendary by playing till the end of the match. Kalpesh passes the strike to Keyur. Keyur on strike. Smartly placed to give a strike to his captain once again, who is in form here.
હેલો
This brings 50 runs to on the board. Panvel team, big round of applause to Panvel team. 50 runs they have done. Can we have some claps, please? It's very important to cheer up the team, especially during these crucial times when they are playing, qualify themselves for the finals. This brings 52 on board. Kalpesh on strike. Keyur on non-strike arena. It was smartly bowled, but finally 52 runs. 53 is the target to Karjat team.
મેચ વિનિંગનો ફૂલ મજા ઉઠાવવાનો છે આપણે. અડધો કલાક ડીજે.
Match. As I said, 54 is the target. 53 runs have been set up by Panvel team, and 54 is something which is to be achieved by Karjat team. Batsmen are already on the crease. Let's start the match on time to finish it at the time. Karan on strike. Prashant on the non-striker end. Karan on the striker end. Kalpesh to Karan. Well bowled by Kalpesh. Team cheering up the captain. And wonderful stroke which leads to the ultimate 6 runs with no mistakes made by Karan. I will request all the spectators, 6 runs once again, back to back, second 6. Or a 6. And that's a straight stroke, but smoothly collected by Ankit, number 4, and given back to the Kalpesh. Well played by Karan. Good team. Good game by Karan till now. This indicates that Team Karjat is playing with a winning attitude. While 52 is not a big task, but
જમવાનું કાઉન્ટર ચાલુ થઈ ગયું છે.
both the teams are trying really hard to maintain themselves in the match. Prashant on strike, and he hits back Well collected by Kalpesh. ભાઈ તને હેડો ગુજરાતીમાં જ વાત કરીએ. ઇંગ્લિશ બહુ થઈ ગયું લ્યા. કરણે ચોડી દીધો પાછો છક્કો. આની સાથે કરણના થઈ ગયા 4 છક્કા. કરણે ખાધું છે કયું ચૂરણ દઈ જોણ. Score बोल रहे बाबा. 34 runs till now. Prashant plays well. Hetni bowling. No ball, no isharo. Head to Karan. And a straight 6 runs. Score please. 42 runs. टीम को चाहिए 18 बॉल में 12 रन. करजत टीम नीड्स Neral Warriors teams, please be ready for the next match. No ball ka ishara. And that's the ultimate one. 6 runs to go.
Score.
5 runs to go. It's the double whammy by Karan. પ્રશાંત રમી રહ્યા છીએ. Score please. 52 runs. 2 runs to go. 1 run to level up. And that's the win. DJ.
Hello. Karan Shah, man of the match. Karan Shah.